Hi. Ukraine and Taiwan are in jeopardy. Putin and Xi are probably planning to act in concert. Russia is presently marshaling forces along the Ukraine border. China is sending drones over Taiwan and doing naval and air exercises off and into the coast of Taiwan. This is no coincidence. In 2014, Russia invaded and took Crimea from Ukraine. Obama was president and Biden was vice president. They did nothing. Now we again have Biden. Russia knows that Biden will do nothing when Russia absorbs all of Ukraine. What would Biden do if Russia invaded Ukraine and China invaded Taiwan at the same time? Nothing. I am sure that is what Putin of Russia and Xi of China think. They view Biden as very weak. In the eyes of powerful leaders, a U.S. president that cannot control the border of the U.S. can only be viewed as very weak and vulnerable. What better time for Russia and China to act, particularly at the same time? This is not inconceivable. Russia and China could be planning this right now, and probably are. You elected a weak president. Terrible things are happening and could become worse. So, get ready, buckle up. Things will change rapidly. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.